Sa ulo ng mga nagbabagang balita, Police Master Sergeant Nuezca'S naghain ng not guilty plea. Wow! After that fateful day where it seemed like everyone who has social media became aware of the 2 counts of murder committed by the said police, here we come to the point kung saan alam na natin kung ano yung naging plea niya. During media interviews where he asked if he regretted his actions, he said that yes, sising-sisi siya sa kanyang ginawa. At nung siya ay sinabon at pinatawag ng kanyang hepe, ay sinabi niya he's not asking for help for himself, but for his family who is now being bashed and persecuted by the public. Welcome to the Philippines and welcome to my channel. I am RBD, a Pinay Christian lawyer and blogger doing reaction videos on current events. And today, I will be doing a reaction video on the plea of not guilty of Police Master Sergeant Nuezca'S. Kung gusto niyo marinig yung reaction ko tungkol sa topic na to, please keep on watching. Siguro yung unang bagay na tinatanong ng karamihan ay bakit kailangan maghain ng plea before the court si Nuezca'S. Sorry, medyo nakakonfuse ako minsan sasabi ko Huesca or Nuezca'S. Nuezca'S. Ayon sa Philippine Star, Nuezca'S was arraigned at the Panique Tarlac Regional Trial Court, Branch 106, where he filed a plea or he entered a plea of not guilty. Kasi kung tama ang pagkakatanda ko, under our rules of criminal procedure, within 30 days na arrest or the accused is imprisoned, there has to be an arraignment. Yung arraignment or yung pagpapatawag sa kanila ng korte kung saan kailangan nila mag-appear, kailangan nila magpakilala, and kailangan nila maghain ng kanyang plea. Lalo, in this case, of course, yung accused is Jonel. We have a thing called due process, and arraignment and plea is part of this due process, which is a constitutional right given to the accused. So, sa ligang batas natin mismo ang nagdidikta na kailangan may ganito, kung saan ipapaalam sa akusado kung ano ba yung nature or cause of his imprisonment, or the nature of his offense and the cause of his accusation. So that, of course, he can get ready sa kanyang plea and he can also prepare for his defense kung ano bang gagawin niyang klase ng depensa or magtatanggol sa kanyang sarili. And next question, I think, is, ito yung sinasabi ng karamihan, masyadong obvious na siya yung may kasalanan or ginawa niya yung krimen. Bakit makakapaghain siya ng not guilty plea? Does this happen? Is this an occurrence does this happen in the court? Or nangyari ba talaga na kahit sa tingin ng publiko, masyadong obvious na guilty yung isang partido ay maghahain siya? Pwede pa rin ba siyang maghain ng not guilty plea? Yes, that is also his constitutional right because as it says, the accused has the right to be presumed innocent until the contrary is proved thereof beyond reasonable doubt. Okay, kumbaga kung merong obstacle, kung merong fence na kailangang mag-cross over ng prosecution or yung nag-aakusa, yun yung tinatawag natin na beyond reasonable doubt. Kasi pag may konting duda lang, o yung pag hindi convince yung court or yung hukom, hindi maaaring makonvict yung akusado. Kasi hindi na overcome ng prosecution yung beyond reasonable doubt na fence or na obstacle na tinatawag natin. So ano ba ang implikasyon pag sinabi or nag-enter ng not guilty plea yung akusado? As I illustrated earlier, meron niyang bakura na beyond reasonable doubt. So yung gagawin naman ng naghain ng not guilty plea or ng akusado or si Jonel Nuezca'S sa kaso na ito, kailangan niyang ma-disprove, kailangan niyang ipawawalang bisa, kailangan niyang i-discredit kung anong bang ebidensya na itatapon laban sa kanya ng prosecution, which is the state in this case, people of the Philippines. We should also remember that it is not just his plea of not guilty which will determine his guilt or his innocence in the crime charged. Of course, the evidence will speak for itself. Where there will be a trial or merong paglilitis kung saan merong pagkakataon ng prosecution na ipresenta kung bakit siya ay guilty beyond reasonable doubt. At si Jonel naman ay may pagkakataong patunayan na hindi totoo yung inaakusa laban sa kanya. And the most intriguing question perhaps is gaano ba kalakas ang video bilang ebidensya? Siguro iniisip ng iba, maybe they're not taking into consideration yung video kasi he was able to file a plea of not guilty. But that's not the case kasi during arraignment and plea, wala pa yung presentation of evidence. Yun pa lang talaga, nag-enter pa lang talaga sila ng plea of guilty or not guilty and nakikilala pa lang talaga ng korte or ng hukom kung sino yung mga partido. So, kumbaga wala pang bearing yung video dun, it's not yet the opportunity for the court to appreciate the evidence and deem it credible or otherwise. And just for the information of everyone, yes, video is allowed as evidence under our rules on electronic evidence, particularly in Rule 11, Section 1, audio, video, and similar evidence, basahin lang natin dyan, they shall be shown, presented, or displayed to the court and shall be identified, explained, or authenticated by the person who made the recording or by some other person competent to testify on the accuracy thereof. So, it seems as in this case na yung kumuha ng video na yon ay isang minor de edad, kailangan niyang ipresenta sa court na that evidence was not tampered, it was authentic, it was genuine, and siya yung kumuha ng video na yun. So yes, that video can be, and I hope shall be used as evidence, but we also have to remember that aside from that video, merong mga witnesses to the incident. So they can also testify against Nuezca, and their statement can and will be used against him. And if you ask me if he's guilty, well, in my perception from what I saw in the video, unequivocally, yes, he is guilty. But I do understand that as the accused, he has the rights and he has to be accorded due process before he can, and I hope will be convicted. I just do hope that it won't take long because as they say, justice delayed is just enough. So I hope in a way this reaction video has been quite of informative or educational for you. It's not the time for us to vilify the courts or the time for us to vilify the system because that's just it. If you are the accused, you will be accorded rights. Kasi for example, inosente ka pala, tapos hindi ka bibigyan ng chance na magsabi ng not guilty plea. That would be unfair for you. So if you enjoy watching this video so I want also to hear from you. Comment your thoughts on this issue. And if you have any suggestions kung anong maganda pang gawa ng reaction video, you can also comment below. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Stay happy, stay positive, stay blessed. Bye!